everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yesterday we already made crane, so you could go ahead and see that in the link below. So now we are going to make stars. See? It's super tiny and cute. And you can even make a whole jar of it. See? Ta-da! So now let's get started. So you could use this type of paper. Open it up now. And pick any one you like. They already cut it for you, so you don't need to cut it, so it's already perfectly fine. Now let's get started. So first, you fold it and kind of tie it like this and cross it. After when you cross it, you could make a knot, but don't make the knot too hard or else it'll break. Just make it carefully till it makes this shape. See? And after that, you see this extra part, just tuck it in, this part. Now, this is easy because you're just going to repeat it. First, you get this line, you bring it up right here. You put it on this side. For that, you fold on this side, then this side, then this side, and keep repeating until the end. This side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. After that, when you tuck it in, if you see any extra pieces, you could cut it if you like, but I don't need to because usually I don't need to. After that, you use your fingers and then fold the corners like a star. After that, you can also do the bottom. Make it look more like a star. Ta-da! And that's how you make a star. Very simple and easy. So now I'm gonna make a second one. This time I'm gonna do it slower so you guys can see it more easier. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that the stars are also for good luck. So now let's start both. First you just bend it like this. And then you cross it. And you make a knot. See, you see this? It just goes over here. And you tuck it in. It's like you're making a knot, but instead on paper. But you have to do it slowly. And rip, you know. And tuck it in. See? After that, you put it back up like this. So now you fold, like you see here, and then you put this on this side. You see where this is? And then the place that I feel, the paper feels more comfortable and like what it's going to be, I'm gonna just put it here. And then fold it. After that, do the same thing on the other side. Then do the same thing on the other side. And right, left. And keep folding. And folding. And folding. Until you're done to tuck it in. If you need to, you could use the scissors, like I said. Now tuck it in. Now you just pinch the corners like this. Just like a star will look. If you want, you could do not if you want, you could do the other side too to make it more like a star. You just pinch it. Now you made a star. So this time my mom is making the star, so it's the same thing actually, but this time she speed it and she made it closer to you guys, for you guys can see it more clear. See? Oh, I forgot. So don't squeeze the middle part of it or else you can't form a star. It's going to be bendy and then it won't look like a 3D star. So yeah, don't do that. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.